Testing, testing. All right, so now go ahead and start up my screen share, and I'm going to show you guys what I have here. So I've moved all of my charts out. I want to make this a little bit bigger so we can see everything. And I'm going to be primarily concerned with the statistics of the angular velocity and my charts. So here are the charts. And basically, I have 50, and then I have my 60 here, raw count 60. So these curves are looking sweet. And then 70, 80. So these are my graphs. And then I have my raw count at 90. And this is my graph. And then 100. And this is my graph. So I want to use these first data sets to actually produce a model, a mathematical model. And I'll go ahead and produce it here, right in between. You know what, maybe I'll just go ahead and do it at the beginning. So I'm going to call this one regression analysis. So this is getting into inferential statistics. This is getting into inferential statistics, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. So what do I want to see? I want to see angular velocity. So angular velocity is going to be a dependent variable, and I want to see that against raw count. And this is going to be pulse width modulation. And that is going to be in microseconds. Okay, and I'm just going to get that Greek. Oh my goodness. Oh, see favorites. There we go. How do I get that in? Oh, there it is. Okay, microseconds. So if you can't find that like right away, don't worry too much about it. Don't spend no 30 minutes on that. You know, you can just put a US, and I know, or you can write it out. So raw count, pulse width modulation, and then I'm going to have what do you call it? Angular velocity. So the angular velocity is going to be in radians per second. And now I'm just going to go ahead and collect these from my data sheet. So this is going to be equal to, and I'm start off with 50 here. So actually, I just, I don't even need to do this. So I'm just going to get rid of all of this here because all it is 50. Then we have 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Uh-oh, 90 and 100. All right. So let me go ahead and find the pulse width modulation for each one of those. So at 50, you can see it right down here, it's 400. And then at 60, it's 480. And then at 70, it's 560. And then let me see here. So we have 70. And then at 80, it is 640. And then at 90, we have 720. And then at 100, we have, what's that, 800. And all of these are microseconds. So now